It's 10 AM, I'm in my pyjamas, I've just taken a delivery. I've been waiting several months for one of these new Rustlers, and here it is today. Let's have a look inside. Everyone loves stickers. Oh, just look at it. It's beautiful. I've gone for the red and blue edition. This is the first time I've actually seen one, so I'm quite excited. Usual Traxxas polystyrene, and it's coming out from the rear. Oh, look at it! Just look at this. That is beautiful. Wow! Parts bag, as always. Battery spacer, some shock spacers or tensioners, manual stickers, all the usual jargon. Come on! Bloody come on! Time to have a look straight away. So you've got a clipless body design on this thing. A bit like the X-Max and the E-Revo. It just makes it 10 times easier. Oh, just look at the body on this. It's just so nice, isn't it? I mean, look at it. Absolutely, you're not going to miss that coming. You've got the fixed wing on the rear. It's obviously screwed on with the chassis design. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you've never owned a Traxxas model before, they have a distinctive smell. When you open them, I know it sounds strange, but I've had about 10 different Traxxas models now, and they all have this kind of factory, rubbery, plastic smell, like, built well. Just, it's like a privilege to open one because of the smells. Do I need help? Yeah, I do. I mean, this looks absolutely brilliant. Look at the shocks. They're very similar to the Slash, to be honest. The sort of drive shafts are exactly the same. They're sliders. It's just beautifully designed. Look at the chassis on it. The plastic looks amazing. You've got the Velineon 3500 brushless system, the same as the Slashes and the same as the old Rustler VXL. But now you've got a four-wheel drive system in there. Really liking the look of the battery hold-down tray. That is really cool. Look at that. So you can put the bigger batteries in here. You can put the smaller, lower profile batteries in there as well. The tyres are really similar to the E-Revo. They're pretty much exactly the same. They're very soft rubber, very squidgy, and I'm going to have to take these up because they're going to absorb a lot of water just because they're so soft. Got a lot of return on the suspension. It looks like a very, very good setup out the box. I mean, that's got a lot of return instantly. Let's have a look at the bottom. Yeah, you've got the usual Traxxas branded chassis plate. I love this. The front, centre and rear are all sort of 3 parts. So at the rear, I've noticed there's a huge wheelie bar on this thing, but it's got a lot of flex in it. Now, is that by design? I'd assume so, because when you're going to angle it back, you're hitting the floor, it's trying to stop the truck from flipping backwards on its roof. That's got so much flex to 90-degree angle. I won't be surprised if going forwards, this becomes the new Slash platform and there's just one truck on the market. Obviously with different body shells, different tyre setups, different shock setups, but ultimately the same chassis, shocks, drivetrain, etc. Look at that, you can fit a cracking size battery in there. Some would say 6S packs if you were to change the electronic system. These are the TQIs that come with all of the sort of brushless systems with the Traxxas trucks. You've got 4 AA batteries in there. It has a steering wheel for steering left and right, digital proportional. You've got some trim settings for the TSM and for the steering trim. You've got throttle, which is go and brake and reverse. We'll turn the transmitter on and then we're going to go ahead and press the power button on the ESC. We're looking for a green light. Oh, brilliant. Okay, green is good. That means the ESC is in LiPo cutoff mode. I wanted to show you the drive shaft inside that drives the four-wheel drive. You can see the TSM working there. The steering is going in opposite directions to counter itself to keep you in a straight line. So there we have it, that's the new Traxxas Rustler. It's been around for a while, but in the UK it's just dropped here. So we're all getting them, we're all excited, can't wait to go out and have some fun with it. Looking forward to the bash video with this thing. Take care guys, I'm going to go charge some batteries now and we're going to have some fun. See you later on, bye!